NAS, General Purpose Server versus NAS devices. A NAS device is optimized for file serving functions such as storing, retrieving and accessing files for applications and clients. A general purpose server can be used to host any application because it runs a general purpose operating system. Unlike a general purpose server, a NAS device is dedicated to file serving. It has specialized operating system dedicated to file serving by using industry standard protocols. Some NAS vendors support features such as native clustering for high availability. You have a comparison of general purpose server versus NAS server, where your general purpose server has all layers, applications which is connected to single purpose NAS device, where you will have the file system, operating system and the network interface. Benefits of NAS. NAS offers the following benefits: comprehensive access to information, that is enables efficient file sharing and supports many-to-one and one-to-many configuration. The many-to-one configuration enables a NAS device to serve many clients simultaneously. The one-to-many configuration enables one client to connect with many NAS devices simultaneously. Improved efficiency. NAS delivers better performance compared to a general purpose file server because NAS uses an operating system specialized for file serving. Improved flexibility. Compatible with clients on both Unix and Windows platform using industry standard protocols. NAS is flexible and can serve requests from different types of clients from the same source. Centralized storage. Centralizes data storage to minimize data duplication on client workstations and ensure greater data protection. Simplified management. Provides a centralized console that makes it possible to manage file systems efficiently. Scalability. Scales well with different utilization profiles and types of business applications because of the high performance and low latency design. High availability. Offers efficient replication and recovery option, enabling high data availability. NAS uses redundant components that provide maximum connectivity option. A NAS device supports clustering technology for failover. Security. Ensures security, user authentication and file locking with industry standard security schemas. Low cost. NAS uses commonly available and inexpensive Ethernet components. Ease of deployment. Configuration at the client is minimal because the clients have structured NAS connection software built in.